OpenAI has officially announced a significant update to ChatGPT Search, which is now accessible to all users without requiring sign-in, simplifying its use. The ChatGPT manufacturer announced the update through a post on X, stating, "ChatGPT Search is now available to everyone on chatgpt.com, no sign-up required." This significant move enhances availability and intensifies the competition among rivals such as Google, Perplexity, and others. ChatGPT Search provides real-time dynamic information, while the general ChatGPT model is trained on a static dataset up to a particular cutoff date and doesn't retrieve real-time data. One of the standout features is that ChatGPT Search displays sources and links within its responses, enabling users to verify information and explore further details. This functionality aligns it with competitors such as Perplexity. To access ChatGPT Search, follow these steps. Visit the ChatGPT website and click on the search option. This tool retrieves relevant real-time information and display sources within small boxes inside the response. Users can tap these links and use the Sources button to view the complete list of references. OpenAI continues to push the boundaries of innovation in the ever-evolving field of AI, with recent launches such as Operator, an AI agent designed to automate complex tasks. This update reflects OpenAI's commitment to continuous improvement.